So I bought these goggles, and I bought about 20 pairs of them because I'm a swim coach, and I also have swimming PE classes, and I work at a pool, and some kids can't afford goggles, and so I bought a bunch of these goggles. They're not the brand name expensive ones. They're a little bit cheaper, and sometimes when you buy that cheaper brand, you don't always get precision goggles. The nose pieces, it comes with extra nose pieces, but these goggles, the one in every 5 pairs, 6 pairs or so, I've found that the nose piece, it just slips out. And when you replace the nose piece, it's not the nose piece. I believe it's in the machining or the molding that goes into the hole, and so the hole's too big and it doesn't grip onto the nose piece. And so I've got a hack, and what I do is I take a zip tie and I put it in the hole like so. I'm gonna have problems with the phone here. Put it down. Is this gonna work? Maybe. So I put the zip tie in the hole, then I shove the old, shove it in there, I'll push it in there really good. Give me a second. There you go. And then after I do that, I just take some fingernail clippers, clip it off, clip it off, and I suppose I could have used a different color zip tie and you wouldn't be able to see it, but this seems to be a permanent fix. I've done this on about 10 pairs and they don't come undone. That zip tie in there just tightens it up enough that that little lip on the nose piece shoves it in, or takes up enough of the space in there so that it's tight and it grips tight enough and it just doesn't fall apart anymore. So take some goggles that I can't return anymore because I bought them a long time ago, and makes them good again. Anyways, that's what I did. DIY goggle fix hack.